Welcome back. Today, we're cooking a whole chicken under a watermelon bucket. Yes, you heard that right. An old countryside trick, smoky and strange, but full of soul. Let's begin. If this feels like the kind of recipe your grandpa would try just for fun, hit subscribe. We're not here for fancy food, we're here for stories you can taste. First, we sear the chicken over open fire. Not just for colour, but to lock in all that smoky primal flavour. This step is pure backyard alchemy. Time to rinse the chicken. Sounds simple, but it matters. We're washing off the ash and prepping her like you would before Sunday dinner at Grandma's. Clean bird, clean flavour. This recipe goes way back, born from village life, where nothing was wasted and everything cooked over fire. Oh, even the dog got a bite of chicken. And honestly, who could resist that smell? They say this dish was born on accident. A farmer had no pot lid, so he grabbed half a watermelon. The steam stayed in, the juices didn't escape, and the chicken, tender like never before. Since then, it's been passed around in whispers, a backyard secret shared between neighbours, cooked with laughter and bare hands. It's not just food, it's a story you tell with your mouth full. Don't forget the spices and salt. Without them, the chicken just isn't the same. It's the little things that bring the whole story to life on your plate. Let's prepare some tea in the samovar, because no family meal is complete without it. What's your go-to drink when you gather with loved ones? Now I gather some fresh flowers for the tea, a little ritual passed down from our grandmothers, adding not just flavour, but a touch of calm to the whole meal. The tea is almost ready, and it's more than just a drink. It's a pause, a moment to slow down like they did in old village kitchens. Brewing tea was never rushed. It was about sharing stories, secrets, and warmth with those around the table. Time to savor the tea. I remember once during a family gathering, we all sat around that very samovar for hours, sharing stories until the stars came out. It's moments like these that turn simple tea into a memory you carry with you forever. Alright, now it's time to focus on the watermelon. We need to hollow out the entire inside. This isn't just for show. The juicy, sweet shell will trap the steam and infuse the chicken with a unique flavor that only nature can give.
Loving this wild recipe? Make sure to subscribe. You won't want to miss the next delicious adventure we have cooking.
Here's a fun fact about watermelons. Did you know they're actually both a fruit and a vegetable? Farmers treat them like squash, but we all enjoy their sweet, juicy side. Now it's time to prepare the spot for cooking. Whether it's a backyard fire pit or a simple grill, setting the right space is key. It's where the magic happens and stories come to life alongside the flames. We'll also need some fern leaves. They're like nature's baking paper, keeping the chicken moist and adding a subtle earthiness to the flavor. We place the fern leaves carefully, then stick wooden poles into the ground to create a frame. wrapping everything in foil seals in the heat and smoke, a technique passed down from generations who cooked in the open air, turning simple ingredients into unforgettable feasts. Now we just skewer the chicken and tuck it right under the watermelon lid. It's like the chicken's own juicy little hideout. Who knew a melon could be such a cozy home? On top, we cover everything with buckets and then pile on some hay. This old-school trick traps the heat and smoke, giving the chicken that tender, smoky flavor you just can't get from an oven. Oh wow, that fire is roaring just right. This is how you know the magic's really happening. Nothing like the crackle of real flames to get your appetite going. Meanwhile, we're not wasting the watermelon's middle. We crush it down into juice. Nothing goes to waste here. Every drop adds a bit of sweetness and freshness to the whole experience. Just imagine how delicious that smoothie will be, fresh, sweet, and full of summer in every sip. Slowly, we start unearthing our chicken, the moment when all that smoky goodness is about to be revealed. Oh, just look at this masterpiece, golden, juicy, and packed with flavor. We plate it up, and just like that, it's time to dig in. This isn't just food, it's a story you can eat. Let's taste.
Oh, we still have plenty of watermelon left, so why not enjoy it fresh and wash it down with that sweet watermelon smoothie? Perfect summer combo.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to savor every bite. And don't forget the little hungry one. Even the smallest foodie deserves a taste of this feast.
This is pure deliciousness. Honestly, it feels unreal how good this tastes.
If you're craving more unique recipes and stories, hit that subscribe button. Your taste buds will thank you later.